Hello friends. In this video we will cover Nmap commands, how network scanning works and how security professionals use Nmap to identify open ports, services and vulnerabilities in the network. Nmap is a network mapper open source tool used for network discovery and security auditing. It is utilized by cybersecurity professionals to audit and discover local and remote open ports as well as hosts and network information. Nmap can be used to create a complete computer network map, find remote IP addresses of any host, find vulnerabilities on remote and local hosts, detect open ports on local and remote systems. Also, it provides the operating system details and version. Nmap is used by mid-size and large companies as well as smaller size organizations for auditing, host monitoring, penetration testing, red and blue team exercises. Nmap is available on both Linux and Windows operating system. So, how to install Nmap? So this is my Kali Linux machine. Let's see how to install on Kali Linux. Open the terminal and run sudo apt install nmap from root user. Already I have installed it, so I will not install again. So in Linux we have the command lines for nmap to scan a single IP address to check open port. We can run commands like nmap space then IP address. So we need a system to scan to check what kind of port services are open on that. So I have Metasploit table. So let's see IP address of that system first. So this is my Metasploit table ifconfig. So we can see here IP address is 192.168.18.130 and MAC address F6 colon 8782. So how to install Metasploit table? You can check the video on our channel. I have already made the video to install, download and install the Metasploit table on VMware. So using this IP address, we will run the scanning on this machine. So first command to check the open ports on machine or IP address, nmap then IP address. Now it is showing the output. So here we can see the date timing and destination IP address provided as it is same. Host is up and latency to reach the destination not shown 977 closed and whatever ports are open here it is showing. So port, state, open or close and what kind of service is running on that port. So port is 21 TCP, state open FTP 22 SSH 23 TCP open and telnet. Like this it provides the details. So we can scan the range of IP addresses also. Instead of going for one by one IP address, we can provide the range from 132. I will go for 140. Not like this. Full IP address 140. So whatever hosts are up, it will scan the port on that IP addresses and it provides the details. Yeah. I need to use the space there. So remaining IP addresses are not in use in the network. So it is not showing for other IP addresses than 130. So like this, we can scan the range. We can scan the entire subnet also. Nmap space 192.168.18.130/24. So whatever IP addresses are in the subnet, it will scan all IP addresses and it provides the results also. Yes, so here we can see 129 is available, 254, 130, 18.2 on this system, 53 is open DNS port, 18.1, these many ports are open here. For 240, 254, not showing any ports. For 129 is also not showing any ports. So like this, we can scan the entire subnet automatically. If we go one by one, it will take much time. So we can reduce the time there. Many times we'll have the critical servers where we do not want to scan or run the Nmap on that systems. So we can exclude these kind of IP addresses also. So how to do that means how to exclude Nmap, then give the range subnet, then hyphen exclude and mention the IP addresses. So I will go with 192.168.18.130 or Metasploit only. So I will exclude this one and we'll check for remaining IP addresses. Yeah. So here we can't see the 130, 18.1, 18.2, and then directly 18.254 and 18.129. But 18.130 is not available, this IP address. So it is excluding that IP address and performing the scanning on remaining IP address. So we can save these outputs in the text file also. So how to do that? Completing the nmap command, give arrow greater than, and then mention the file output.txt. It will save the output in output.txt. So I am at desktop level. So here we can see in desktop directory. So it will create one file. No need to create existing file. It will create new file here. Okay, so scanning completed. As we are creating the file, it is not showing output here. So let's see in that file. So at desktop, only one file is there, cat output 6. So it is showing the same result. Here we have executed the command, and in that it is showing the output, same output, what it was showing here. So this way we can save the output in file so that we can share that output with teams or management wherever it is required. Instead of scanning all ports, sometimes we need to check if any specific port is open or not. We can check like that also. Because if we go for entire subnet to check all 65,535 ports, it takes too much time. So we can scan specific port and check if that is open so that we can block that port on firewall before exploiting the hackers or middle person there. So how to scan specific port? Nmap space hyphen p for port and mention the port number. You can mention multiple ports also like this or single port also. So I will go with two ports and then IP address 18.130. So see here, it is showing only for two ports output 23 for telnet and 443 for HTTPS. 23 is open and 443 is closed. So let's see for single port only. So see here, only one port is showing. We can mention the range of port numbers also to scan. 23 to 60 will go. So only three ports are open, remaining are closed. So it is not showing. So here we can see not shown 35 and remaining here 23, 25 SMTP and 53 DNS port is open and MAC address of system. So it is installed on the VMware virtual machine. So it is showing VMware MAC address. We can scan the TCP or UDP port numbers also specific. So how to do that? Nmap, then T for TCP, U for UDP capital. So I will go with TCP for 43 and then IP address. We can use the range also there using hyphen. If something is wrong with my Metasploit machine. It is showing for all ports. It is showing here failed to resolve 443. But this is the command you can use to scan TCP or UDP. We can scan the specific protocols also using words like SMTP, HTTPS instead of port numbers. To do that, Nmap, SMTP, comma, HTTPS, and then IP address 18.130. So like this, we can scan specific ports also. It is taking time. Instead of scanning the port, we can discover the live hosts in the network, which hosts are up and running. So we can find their IP address also. So how to find the live host in the network, like host discovery. So Nmap, then IP address 18.130. We can provide the range also hyphen s, small s, and capital L. So we had provided only single IP, so it is showing one. So let's go with the entire subnet. So it's scanned for all hosts and it is showing zero hosts are up. It should show remaining also, but something is wrong. It is not showing. I will check on that. But this is the command we can run to check the live hosts in the network. So we can disable the port scanning and we can check only hosts are live or not. To perform that, nmap IP address hyphen s and then small n. It will disable the port scanning on that IP address. It will provide only live hosts. Yeah, so here it is showing 130, 18.254, 18.129, 18.1, 18.2. All hosts are up. Here we can see status. Host is up, host is up. So 5 hosts are up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it disabled the port scanning. So we can disable the host discovery and enable the port scanning also. So use the same command. Instead of SN, use capital P and small n. It will disable the host discovery and will provide the open port details. Yeah, so here we can see all 1000 ports scanned. Here also 1000 ports scanned, and here it is showing format of split open ports. For 18.2, 53 port is open. 18.1, these many ports are open. We can send the SYN packets also to check if that device receives the SYN packet or not, or acknowledgement packets also. Nmap, then IP address. We'll go with single IP now because it takes time for the subnet. Then hyphen P, yes for SYN packet, and mention the port numbers. So something is wrong with my Metasploit, so this is not showing proper results, but this is the command you can use. Like this, instead of yes, you can use the A for acknowledgement packets. We can check the service versions also, which service versions are running. So here we can see port number, date, and service name. But this is not showing the service version, web PP version or SSH version running on the system. We can check service version so that we can make sure it is secured on the network or latest. Nmap, then IP address, small s, V for version. So here we can see version table also, version column separately. Till now it was showing only these three columns. Now it is showing version column also for FTP 2.3.4, SSH 4.7, then domain 9.4.2, HTTP 2.2.8. Like this we can scan and check the service version. So we can detect the system details and its version also, which operating system is installed on the device. Nmap hyphen capital O and IP address. So which operating system is running on this IP address and which version. So here we can see operating system detection performed and details here. OS details Linux 2.6.9 running Linux 2.6.x version. But here we had scanned for service detection, so service detection performed like it is showing. Here OS detection performed. Even we can detect the any IDS or firewall is configured or not in the network. So how to detect that one? Nmap hyphen SA and then IP address 18.130. So how it works? Like hyphen SA stands for TCP acknowledgement scan. This is a specialized scan used to detect firewall is configured or not using acknowledgement packet. Target response tells Nmap whether firewall is blocking the traffic or not. If the target sends back a reset packet, Nmap marks the port as unfiltered, means the packet reached the target, so no firewall is blocking that port. If Nmap receives nothing or unreachable error or ICMP error, it marks the port as filtered. This means firewall is configured. This command does not provide the open port detail or close, it only tells firewall is configured or not in the network. So let's see. Okay, something is wrong. Yeah. So instead of capital S, we need to use the small s. So 1000 ports scanned and it is showing unfiltered TCP ports. Means firewall is not configured. So here we can see ports are showing open, but here unfiltered. It is not showing the open ports are closed. It is showing only the firewall is configured or not there. So this was all about the Nmap commands and how to scan the network. If any unwanted ports are open to detect and so that security team can fix it before any other middleman scan and finds the vulnerability in the network. We can secure using Nmap. So thank you guys. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.